Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new orders from Ecwid to the ProveSource service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in ProveSource you can add new contacts to conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to setting. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select ProveSource as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this point you need to connect your ProveSource account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the URL to send the data. In order to get it, go to the ProveSource personal account. Further in the notification section, create a new notification. Select Stream. Now choose a webhook system. Copy your webhook URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. We return to the ProveSource system and complete the configuration. We prescribe any URL, for example, the address of your site. At this stage, no settings are required, except to specify the text of the message in a completely arbitrary form. No settings are required at this stage. Now we come up with a name notification. Make sure new notification is enabled. And back to the ApiX-Drive system. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to select the type of sending. Post JSON. Next, you need to write the name of the variable and the values \u200b \u200 that will correspond to them. Select a variable from Ecwid in the drop-down list, which contains the name. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. Select variable from Ecwid that contains email. When all the necessary variables and their values are specified, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ProveSource for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ProveSource. After successful sending, go to ProveSource and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes the setup of ProveSource data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.